For Scorpions, a new beginning, a new opportunity, and more abundance is coming for you. So this is something tangible, more stable in terms of your finances. Maybe a new job offer or that promotion long awaited for you. So new paths are opening for you, and that are more stable, and the universe is working for you to give that golden coin in your hands. Okay, so a fresh start in your career. Remember, this is the beginning, and you what you make out of this, that should be long lasting and stable in long terms. And in love also, it brings something real and grounded, a relationship becoming more secure maybe, or that connection rooted in long term potential. So either love, money, or career, you need to stay grounded and nurture it. Okay, this is your time. Okay, Scorpions. And now for the Sagittarius. So it's like you're finding happiness and you're living it. It's a card of emotional fulfillment and that family flourishment. Okay, this is like true happiness in terms of love and your emotional alignment. Okay, so like everything is finally clicking into place for you. So Ten of Cups can suggest a work environment that brings you emotional satisfaction, or that success that allows you to support your those loved ones of yours. So you're not chasing money, but you're building that life. Okay, and love also, it's like your dream come true, strong supportive relationships, and your healing in family dynamics, and it's like mutual joy and trust for you. It's a sign towards emotional wealth and material comfort. So a life that's both abundant and meaningful. This card also shows that you have done that inner work, and now you're aligned with the manifesting your outer world. So you have grown so far, and now you're being rewarded with peace, connections, and heartfelt blessings. So celebrate this joy. And now for the Capricorn, so we have the Hangman, and it is suggesting you to pause, surrender, and see things differently, from a different perspective. Although Capricorns are very ambitious, always trying to do that things. But this is the card of stillness. It's not about failures or delays. It's about choosing to pause, and gain that wisdom and new perspective and clarity may be needed. So something in your life may feel on hold, but this is like a divine timing at work. Okay, so in your career, it's sign of that pushing harder won't work. Instead of that, step back and rethink your strategy. Okay, or maybe you will get a new idea. Okay, so let go of the control. In love, it's like to look at things from other person's point of view also. So compassion, patience, and emotional awareness will shift the things for you. Okay, and finances are before making those big moves, use this moment to reflect and assess the situation for your long term vision. Okay, so this is like invitation to let go of your rigid goals and open up to your higher wisdom. You don't have to carry everything. So it's time to surrender, and that brings strength for you. So just let the insights come, shift your perspective and rise from it. Okay, that's for the Capricorn. And now for the Aquarians. So this is the time to level up. Okay, you have achieved that emotional satisfaction. Okay, you have been navigating challenges with your intellect and that rebellious spark that Aquarians hold. So now universe is giving you the bonus. Okay, that joy and contentment. That's that moment to where things finally feel right to you. Okay, so you are aligning with someone or something, that reflects your truth in terms of your love. And your career is looking like you're hitting that checkpoints, of recognition and pride. So whether it's like those projects or promotion, so you earn this. Okay, collect those rewards now. It's time for the rewards. And you are in sync, in with this divine timing, inner peace, and you have turned into your higher self, and the results are now unlocking for you. So you have earned your joy, so feel it, live it. Don't rush to the next chapter. Okay, it's like time for the gratitude for all those blessings you have earned so far. Okay, Aquarians. So this is your victory time. Okay, and now for the Pisces. Okay, where the Pisces are going, probably towards the more calmer waters. Okay, So Pisces, you have been through mental on that emotional turbulence, okay, and now you're moving on, but you're headed towards now peace and that clarity and that stability. Maybe it's not instant, but you are still holding those hurts, but you are in that boat, see, and the worst things are now behind you. And in career, it suggests like you're leaving that stressful job, okay, or that situation, and heading towards something that aligns more with you, something that supports your spirit, because Pisces run from emotions, okay. So that's for your career. And your love, this could be an emotional healing, moving on from maybe a heartbreak, or you both together navigating a difficult phase into more calmer, okay, and understanding each other, and that trust is renewed now. Also in your finances, so you may be shifting your mindset from fear to faith, okay. The journey may take time, but you are already on that path, and towards that greater security. So this is a deep soul movement for you, okay, a quiet transformation. So you are letting go of what no longer serves you, and that's not being weak. That's a task of a person who has wisdom. You have earned that, okay. So you don't have to know exactly where you are going, okay. Just trust the process, and you are being guided somewhere better. So the healing has already begun for you. So this is for your transition for peace, okay. And now it's the time for the final advice from our angels and ancestor, your higher self. Give me a card of advice for the whole reading of the zodiac signs. Please give me one card of advice. What is the final message for each zodiac sign? We'll pull one card. Okay. Please give me a card of final advice. The message you want to give to the collective for all the zodiac signs. Please give me a card of advice. My guides and angels, please give me a card, a final message for. Okay, we have got green Tara here. Okay, we have got two cards. Actually, we have to pull only one card. Okay, we have got two. Well and good. So there's green Tara. Okay, supreme protection is here. And also Lady Venus. Oh my god. So green Tara's message is you're protected, cords are being cut, move beyond limitation and trust. Okay, so this is a call to rise, to receive, and to reclaim your sacred knowledge. Okay, you are stabilizing after emotional shifts. Okay, you are cutting ties with the old fears. The overthinking is ending here, emotional healing is deepening, and you are reclaiming your power. Okay, not from ego, but from love. So this resonates with everyone. Okay, you are analyzing less and trusting more, and you are balancing your spiritual knowledge with your human heart. And this transformation is complete. Okay, you are being guided into new truths, and you're building a new life based on spiritual truth. Your higher mind is fully functional now. So you are remembering lifetimes of wisdom. This truth is your soul's remembering, okay. So for everyone, this is a message that you are awakening, and you are safe, and you are ready, okay. Protection is all around you. The worst is now behind you, and you are ready to move beyond the challenges that was set out for you, okay. So don't worry about recalling fearful experiences, because they aren't going to be recreated now, okay. I pulled more cards from our ancestors' guidance, so we'll check those cards also. So we have three cards here. So this is our ancestors' advice for you. Okay, so shapeshifter is here, and it's telling to transform and unleash your gifts. Okay, so this is advice from our ancestors. Okay, so this is a reminder from your guides. And now with this drum card also, it's like dream and journey. It's like taking an inward journey, uh, within yourself. You'll get those answers. Your intuition and your higher self is helping you. Okay. And next we have the seer. So it says, see beyond your current situation. And this lady Venus is telling, downloads and understanding. So truth is being revealed. Deep insights are coming from heaven and the astral realm. So all the cards are resonating with your cards reading. Okay, very beautiful messages from your angels, guides, and ancestors, and your higher self. So take what resonates, guys. That's it for this video. Meet you next time. Thank you and namaste.